Morning light upon my pillowcase. Well, hello, here comes a day. Should I rise up from these sheets of lace? Let the sun upon my face. For too long I've slept in solitude, with these walls as cold as ice. If I awake, will it be worth it all to feel the sun upon my face? I'm coming home to where you are, to the arms that held me long. I'm coming home, I've run too long. Unlock the door, turn the key, I've been